Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix SEO on a Wix website. So, if you're struggling to get your Wix site ranking higher on search engines, this step-by-step guide will help you optimize your SEO settings for better visibility and performance. Let's get started. So, log into your Wix account and open the website you want to optimize. In your Wix editor, click on the settings menu and you'll be taken to this page. Here, you'll have to choose SEO settings. Now, start the SEO wizard to walk you through the basics of setting up your SEO. On this page, your website title should include relevant keywords for your business and brand. Under SEO, click Site SEO and add meta title, meta description for each page. Ensure that they are concise, keyword rich, and reflect the content on that page. Click on each image in your site and add alternative text in the Wix website editor, and this text helps search engines understand what the image is about. Keep alt text descriptive and relevant to the page's content, using important keywords when appropriate. Now, ensure that your URLs are short, descriptive, and easy to read. Avoid using long strings of numbers or random characters. For example, change www.example.com/12345 to www.example.com/SEO guide. To edit your page URL, go to Setting, navigate to SEO, and navigate to Page URL. Now, search engine prioritizes mobile-friendly websites. So to make sure that your Wix site is optimized for mobile, in the Wix editor, click on the mobile icon, that is mobile view, and check that all elements are properly aligned and readable on small screens. Test the site's mobile loading speed and make adjustment if necessary. Now connect your site to Google Search Console to track its SEO performance and get insights on how to improve. In Wix dashboard, navigate to Marketing and SEO. Here, select Connect to Google. So you can also click on Advertise to Google and follow the instructions to verify your website and monitor its performance. Also, page speed is a crucial ranking factor. Optimize images and remove unnecessary elements and use Wix built-in tools to check and improve your site's speed. Go to Setting, navigate to SEO, navigate to Site Performance to monitor and optimize load times. And by following these steps, you'll have a fully optimized Wix website that's more likely to rank higher on search engines. Regularly review your SEO settings to keep improving your visibility and driving traffic to your site. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching.